Has targeted a number of journalists, including anchors from this very news channel. The latest victim, radio and TV host Mix Bustos, who has sought help from state investigators after his identity was used in a love scam. Karen de Guzman has more.
Television and radio anchor Mix Bustos sought the help of the National Bureau of Investigation on Wednesday after being used in an online scheme. According to Bustos, an alleged victim reached out to him via email, claiming that a fraudster had been using his photos from social media to deceive others. Attached in the email are Photoshop images and videos.
How are you doing today?
As well as AI-generated content featuring his likeness. The sender said that she had a 4-month online relationship with the person using Bustos' photos and was scammed out of over $200,000 US.
Meron daw pong naloko po ng $200,000 allegedly. Tapos ginamit po niya yung mukha ko, yung likeness ko, Photoshop photos, videos, may mga AI-generated videos pa. Tapos nakuha po ng email ko. Sa email ko po siya nag-send ng message.
The scammer also altered his photo with his daughter. Bustos filed a formal complaint with the NBI, who explained that known personalities are often victims of identity theft.
Siyempre, merong konting worry or fear na paano nila napapenetrate yung network ko. So, yun po, ang una ko po talagang instinct is to be able to file to the authorities. Kasi wala naman akong ginagawang masama, hindi naman ako nagsusolicit ng pera. And at the same time, hindi po siya first time na nangyari.
Gagawin natin ang lahat para masawata itong mga ganito. Ang laging nabibiktima nila yung identity theft, yung mga sikat na tao, katulad ni Mix, influencer na ito reporter ng ABS-CBN, ANC, yan ang mga kinukuha nila. Tapos, dahil nakaka-influence sila ng tao, naniniwala agad yung mga tao at nakakakuha sila ng pera, no? Na walang kamalay-malay yung biktima.
Santiago assured the public that the NBI would take all necessary steps to put an end to such scams. Karen de Guzman, ABS-CBN News.